Fuel of future, green hydrogen. Hydrogen, particularly green hydrogen, has emerged as a significant theme in India's clean energy transition. The country's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2070 and reducing its carbon intensity by 45% by 2030 has fueled substantial interest in the hydrogen sector. Here are key insights into the hydrogen investment theme and opportunities in India. 1. Policy support and government initiatives. National Green Hydrogen Mission. India launched this mission with a budget of 19,744 crore rupees to position itself as a global hub for green hydrogen production and export. Production targets. The government aims to achieve 5 million metric tons (MMT) of green hydrogen production annually by 2030, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. Financial incentives. Subsidies for electrolyzers and incentives for green hydrogen production make the sector attractive for investors. Decarbonization of hard-to-abate sectors. Industries like steel, cement, refineries, fertilizers, and long-haul transportation require green hydrogen to meet decarbonization goals. Energy security. Hydrogen can help reduce India's dependence on imported crude oil and natural gas, enhancing energy self-reliance. Export opportunities. India is well positioned to become a key exporter of green hydrogen to countries like Japan, South Korea, and the EU, which have ambitious hydrogen goals. Declining renewable energy costs. India's abundant solar and wind resources make the cost of renewable electricity, a key input for green hydrogen, competitive. Electrolyzer manufacturing. The domestic production of electrolyzers is a critical area for investment to reduce costs and dependence on imports. Technology innovation, research and development in advanced electrolysis, hydrogen storage, and transportation solutions are key investment areas. Hydrogen hubs, creation of hydrogen hubs clusters for production, storage, and distribution. Pipeline network, development of dedicated hydrogen pipelines and infrastructure to support large-scale distribution. Refueling stations, establishment of hydrogen refueling stations to support hydrogen-based transport. Corporate investments, leading Indian conglomerates like Reliance Industries, Adani Group, NTPC, and Indian Oil Corporation are making significant investments in green hydrogen projects. Corporate investments, leading Indian conglomerates like Reliance Industries, Adani Group, NTPC, and Indian Oil Corporation are making significant investments in green hydrogen projects. Corporate investments, leading Indian conglomerates like Reliance Industries, Adani Group, NTPC, and Indian Oil Corporation are making significant investments in green hydrogen projects. Global collaborations, partnerships with international players in technology, finance, and project execution are accelerating hydrogen ecosystem development. Hydrogen Valley projects. India is actively exploring pilot projects under the Hydrogen Valley initiative to showcase the potential of hydrogen at scale. Electrolyzer manufacturing, domestic production and scaling up of electrolyzer capacity. Renewable energy integration, solar and wind farms integrated with hydrogen production facilities. Ammonia and methanol production, green hydrogen derivatives like ammonia and methanol for domestic use and export. Hydrogen mobility, investment in fuel cell vehicles and infrastructure, especially for heavy-duty transport like trucks, buses, and railways. Startups and innovation, support for startups working on hydrogen storage, fuel cell technology, and innovative use cases. High initial costs, production, storage, and distribution of hydrogen are capital-intensive. Infrastructure gaps, limited hydrogen storage and transportation infrastructure. Technology dependence, heavy reliance on imported electrolyzer technology and fuel cell systems. Policy and regulatory frameworks, need for clearer standards, certifications, and safety norms. By 2030, the Indian hydrogen market is expected to attract $8 billion to $10 billion in investments. Green hydrogen could play a pivotal role in helping India reduce its carbon footprint while creating a sustainable industrial ecosystem. India has the potential to emerge as one of the lowest cost producers of green hydrogen globally due to its renewable energy advantages. Investors can capitalize on India's hydrogen revolution by targeting infrastructure development, manufacturing, and partnerships in this fast-evolving sector. As policies mature and technologies scale, hydrogen will be a cornerstone of India's decarbonized economy. Subscribe Insightful Ideas YTC for more insightful videos.